Hi, I'm Joel Meyer with Mason County PUD number 3, and we're here on Harstine Island. If you want to start a conversation, possibly a long one, ask an island resident the correct spelling of the island name. The reason we're here on Harstine Island is to talk about a big project that PUD just finished to improve the reliability and also the quality of electricity on the island.
Pretty cold out this morning. Got a nice rigging set up here. Well, here we are on the other end of the bridge. This is the island side. This is the riggings on the truck. Got it blocked. Got it tied to the conduit coming out of the ground, tied to the bumper so it's not moving around. Got a nice pulley there to smooth it as it's coming out. 121 is going to be backing up. And as it backs up, it's going to be pulling it through that block on 217 and then tied to his bumper again, so you get double the amount of pull. So we can go all the way to the intersection or towards the intersection without having to reset. That's just working slick.
Mason County PUD number 3 serves a wide variety of areas in the service territory. Harstine Island is one of the more interesting ones. First of all, the different ways the PUD 3 got electricity to it. Initially, we had lines that actually were in the air over Pickering Passage to get to the island. As time went by, we had underwater cables, marine cables that took electricity to Harstine Island. And then in 1969, when the Harstine Island Bridge, which you can see behind me, was completed, PUD 3 was able to run a cable across the bridge, which since that time has been pretty much the main source of electricity for the island.
Up on that 10-foot mark, 10 foot, there goes the white. We got blue, 5 foot. And here we go, we're starting into that. We are through and going through that first inspection port, guys, and it's going great.
Right on! So this is our power reel paying it off.
The good thing about this project that we're working on right now, that is being completed, is the fact that now we will have 2 feeds to Harstine Island. That provides a couple of different benefits. The first one is there will be 2 parallel feeds that can be split at the island, one going south, one going north, so therefore the island has a better balance to the electricity that goes out there. The other thing is, if one of these cables fails, we have a cable that we can switch over to that can provide electricity to the island. Another important issue is that during times when there are outages, that maybe we have a large number of folks on Harstine Island without electricity, when we want to bring all those people up at once, that load sometimes can be too great. In this method, we can split that load up and bring people on Harstine Island back much more quickly. Another benefit to the cable is the cable itself, which is about this big around, has a fiber optic cable that's embedded in it. That fiber optic cable will allow us to get across the Harstine Bridge and work towards possibly getting more fiber optic or broadband ability for the people that live on Harstine Island.
Just came out of the pipe. Want to make sure we got enough to go to up the pole and back down again. Well, here we are on the island side. You got Dennis up there getting ready to pull this up. Just all strung out. Oh, howdy, there's the extra piece right there.
In putting this project together, which cost about $250,000, we ran into a real problem late in January, just after we got the cable in place. Someone stole 40 feet of it. That 40 feet of cable caused a little bit of an engineering and an operational concern. Would we be able to engineer that so we could reclaim the cable we put in? The cable that cost us $85,000. Our engineers and our operations folks did an excellent job. They were able to work around the problem, hook the cable up, and provide the feed without having to take anything out. So our guys really worked hard to take care of that. We're working with the Sheriff's Department and with the Prosecutor's Office to find those responsible and reclaim, if we can, some of the funds that were taken away from the ratepayers of Mason County because of this damage. Mason County PUD number 3 is working in various parts of the county to provide reliable, safe, and affordable electricity. Reliability is the key to this project for the people of Harstine Island and also the quality of life that they enjoy. I'm Joel Meyer for Mason PUD 3.